Have you heard about Scrum Master before? If not, in short, let me tell you, it is one of the most demanding job careers in IT industries right now. If you do it in a right way, Scrum Master has lots of opportunities as an employee. Hey everyone, welcome to K21 Academy, where you learn from experts. In this video, we will learn about Scrum Masters and their role and responsibilities. Before we dive further, let's take a look at the agenda first. So we will begin this video by understanding what is Scrum. Inside Scrum, I'll be explaining you Agile with an example. After that, who is a Scrum Master? Then Scrum Master role and responsibility. After that, Scrum Master job opportunities and salary insights. And finally, how you can become a Scrum Master. In the end, I will also share a free class link with you as a gift, which will not only help you to learn basics, but it will also give you an idea of the learning part to follow for Scrum Master certification. So without wasting further time, let's get started with what is Scrum. So Scrum is a methodology or framework using which you can implement Agile. Let me explain Agile with an example. There's a person working in non-IT background. Now he has earned a lots of money and looking forward to invest in a live projects. He thought of a food delivery application like Zomato. But the problem is Zomato nowadays, it's not a small application at all. It's look like a simple application like you are placing the order and getting it into 45 minutes, but actually there are many complex things running behind it. He wanted to make application like Zomato since he's from non-IT background and he cannot do it by himself, right? So that he went to a software development company and they say, okay, we will give you this software or application in 1 year from design to complete deployment. But you know the technology changing very fast. Zomato 1 year before way different from now. Like you want your application instantly in the market so that you can spread it over the world. This is very clear that if we want to make modern software now, we cannot directly go for waterfall. Instead, we have to go for waterfall iteration. Why? Before we were using waterfall model for requirements designed to test and deploy. It is like a card house. If you remove one from the whole projects, the projects can destroy. Removing a card means client want advanced feature in their app while the team already started the project. Instead of that, we can use Agile, where we can deploy the software into a sprint. So basically, we are dividing a whole project into sprints. A sprint is a part of a project, and to complete a sprint, a team will take almost 2 to 4 weeks. It depends on the speed of the team to delivering the application, rather than doing whole project at once. If we take the definition of agile, so agile is a time box iterative approach to software delivery that builds software incrementally from the start of the project instead of trying to deliver it all once near the end. And one of the framework using which you can implement agile is Scrum. Scrum is a word taken from rugby, which is a game where the whole team comes together to make strategic decisions. Scrum is a methodology, or we can say a framework used to manage product development based on iterative and incremental process in the corporate world. In simple word, a product owner requests his requirement in the project and the Scrum team divide into small tasks, which we call sprints. Scrum plays a crucial role in establishing a hypothesis, challenging and solutions for a good project approach. It is beneficial for small teams handling a project with changing deliverables and regular iterations with end user or clients. So Scrum is very easy to understand but difficult to master. Now let's look at who is Scrum Master. A Scrum Master is a person who ensures that the Scrum team follow the processes that they have agreed and takes the responsibility to remove obstacles and distractions towards achieving a goal. In short, Scrum Master leads the teams and become a medium between the product owner and Scrum team. Scrum team will have developer testers where product owner who is the owner of the product, of course not your client. Product owners is someone who represent a client or stakeholders. Client gives all the requirements to the product owner. Then Scrum Master who is responsible to manage entire Scrum working, like your development team more focused on a development of product. Obviously, we need someone who can manage the Scrum meetings, helping teams to achieving goal, and that can be done by Scrum Masters. In upcoming slides, we will look at Scrum Master role and responsibilities. Despite having the word master in the title, the Scrum Master is not in charge of the project or the development team. Instead, a Scrum Master works with the product owner and Scrum team. As we already discussed that Scrum Masters are the mediator between product owner and Scrum team. They refine and improve process where it makes sense. Now let's look at some deep responsibilities of Scrum Master. So Scrum Masters are responsible for project management. As we know, they lead the project and ensure that the team has clear vision of the product requirements and what the client expects. They also facilitate the communication between team and other external groups, including the product owner. Scrum Master monitor the team tasks, project process, and drive culture of agility. They are responsible for establishing an environment where team can work effectively, also protecting the team from outside interruptions and distractions. Being a developer, I can say that before starting a machine, it takes almost 15 to 30 minutes to get into working zone, right? After that, if someone call you for the meeting, then again you will take same time to get back to the zone. So Scrum Master protect their team from outside interruptions and distractions. Scrum Master also monitor the process and resolve conflict. The Scrum Master's role is to keep the track of the project process and ensure that the team meets the deadlines. They host regular meetings with the team and discuss the daily tasks, project's completion, expected time, and issue encountered, and also ensuring the proper management of the team workload. A Scrum Master removes all the possible roadblocks and issue in completing the task. Now, you might have questioned Scrum Master job opportunities and what salary you can expect, right? So let's talk about that. According to the 12th annual State of Agile report, 56% companies use Scrum as their agile methodology. As the number continues to grow and agile gains more popularity, currently it is very famous and there is high possibilities that demand of Scrum Masters will increase in the future as well. Now, these are some of the job openings in United States as well as India for Scrum Master role. When I searched for the same, I got almost 11,000 plus Scrum Master jobs in India. Now you can assume how popular Scrum Master role is. According to Glassdoor, as a fresher, Scrum Master's salary in India is 6 lakhs INR per annum and 72k USD per annum in United States. And definitely this amount will increase with time and experience. Now, how you can become Scrum Master? To become a Scrum Master, you need to learn all the knowledge and best practices in Scrum. If we talk about the basic skill required in Scrum Master, so the first one will be soft skill or communication. Scrum Master role is to communicate or held regular meetings with stakeholders, project owners, development teams, and other external groups or teams to lead the project and discuss the requirement. Soft skills and communications are most basic skills you should have in order to become Scrum Master. You should have presentation skills. With monitoring and creating reports, a Scrum Master must also present the process to the project owners and the team. You should have leadership skills as Scrum Master role is to lead and guide the team to accomplish the desired goal. Problem solving skills like you should be confident enough to tackle all the issues that come in between to complete a project. If we talk about the education, there's no particular education restrictions to become Scrum Master, but the employer prefer a bachelor's degree with IT specialization. Or you can take yourself a step further, opt for Scrum Master certification, which will help you to gain all the related knowledge in one place. If you are interested in Scrum Master certification, I would like to invite you for a free class, which will not only help you to learn basics, but it will also give you an idea of the learning part to follow. You can join this waitlist by visiting k21academy.com/scrum02. Let me show you a quick demonstration how you can do the same. Go to any browser and type k21academy.com/scrum02 and hit enter. After that, it will redirect you to free class waitlist. Now click on notify me. Fill out your details like your name, your email address, and finally your mobile number. Then hit yes, please. After that, you will get a congratulations page, which is a evidence that you have successfully registered for this waitlist. So guys, at the last, if you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. If you have any doubts or queries, you can put them down in comment section. Our team will get back to you. Till then, take care.